Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, head trader, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Monday, November 30th, 2020. And today is just a short recap on the trades that we had at PSC 13 chat room and what we're looking at for tomorrow, guys. So, before I get started, just want to ask you a favor and hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate it. Help out the channel. Any case, guys, let's just get to SNDL trade of the day for us today. This one was part of the watch list, and having said that, guys, the watch list plan changed. Like anything else in the market, you plan sometimes the following day the plan has to change, or you have to change the plan, your entry, your exits. You reassess and you formulate a new plan. And that's what happened today, and we traded this one a couple of times. So let's go to the 1 day 3 minute, guys. So you can see that this was a gapper. It gapped up from Friday, and they're basically all this marijuana stocks are moving because of legislature that it's gonna marijuana is gonna get decriminalized. It's gonna become legal. So you know, all that hype, all that is causing all the pot stocks to be moving up higher. So SNDL is one of the biggest movers in this sector. So let's get to the morning session here. So this one I called out in the morning at open through 50 and with a profit target at 60. You can see the rejection there. So you can see that it got rejected exactly at, or right below 60 cents to be exact. Then it kind of bounced off of the 50 EMA, off of the VWAP here, and then it started flushing. But this was when the IWM and the SPY were really selling off aggressively, and I believe this was part of that. So what we did here, we waited, and it came back up. Now we were planning to get an entry for the break of 60, which we did right here when it broke the 55-cent level. This is where we re-entered actually, and we were looking for a move all the way up to 1. I mean, it was a little aggressive, but we did have a profit target at 70. I took some off here, and then right before it started crashing down at 84.20 some was my final take profit here. And this one I believe still has room all the way to 1. Let's go to the daily and check that out. So you can see that my next profit target is here. So tomorrow, if it gives us an opportunity, you know, I'll probably have a day trade on it for the $1, and possibly even if it breaks 5, you can see that it has resistance out here. So we can start setting our trend lines here for potential price targets. So one thing that I do want to mention is that it is coming off of an oversold pattern, so there might still be some shorts trapped in here, which is part of the reason that I called it out to 60, because I thought it was going to squeeze some shorts in there, and it did. And now hopefully it can just continue building in that momentum, and we ride with it. So hopefully tomorrow, again, another trading opportunity. So that was SNDL. So on a sympathy play, our other trade was HEXO, and this one is just a beautiful swing trading pattern. You can see this is one of my favorite patterns, where it just comes, it makes this little cup, it just curls back up, and you can see the relative volume really up there today. So our entry here, and this is a typical gap fill and go, but the entry was for the break of $1. We did take an entry here. Then we're waiting. It did kind of sell off when the market started crashing, the IWM and the SPY. But you can see Friday's resistance became today's support. Let me show you right here. So Friday's resistance at 88 cents became today's support. So that's exactly what happened, and we're still holding this one for a swing trade. So you can see that we're up big time from 0.99. Wrong tool, guys. Give me a second. Here we go. Let's get that trend line. So from 0.99, guys, somewhere here right below, to where it's currently trading after hours at 25% return. Of course, we need to lock it in tomorrow, and I'm hoping, since this is already gapping up and it looks like it's gonna continue moving up higher, that tomorrow I take some off in the morning, maybe around I don't know, hopefully it opens up 150. I don't know. It's hard to predict, but the momentum is great on this pot stock. So first thing in the morning, I'm gonna start taking in some profits, and then waiting for another setup for a second day follow through on HEXO and SNDL, and I might even check out YCBD, ACB, CGC, and all those pot stocks that are out there, guys, that might be sympathy plays to HEXO, SNDL, and all the other ones. So that's what we traded here at the PSC13 chat room, guys. Again, feel free to go and check out the watch list in our website, www.psc13.com, weekly watch list, and you can get some ideas there. You feel free to use them. They're free for everyone to go and check out. So again, that's www.psc13.com. Now, what are we looking for tomorrow, guys? CSAN, oversold pattern. Got rejected at the 50 EMA. So what we're looking for tomorrow is for it to break that 70 cent level. And this one, next stop is this 180 SMA at 90. That's a 30% return, possible return. Again, it's an idea. It's something that we want to happen. Doesn't mean it's going to, but that's where we see the potential on ZSAN. ZOM is another one. This one, good momentum, came all the way, broke through 180, came back down, and now it's sitting right there with a 180 resistance, the 180 SMA resistance at around 15 cents. And what I'm looking for here, this one has shown in the past. You can see right here where it just had like a 3-day run for about a 200% return, guys, or something like that. It was huge, 200+% return. So this one can move. It has a history of making big moves. You can see another big move here. So what we're looking for here is just a good opportunity, possibly the 20 cent level, which is another whole number resistance here. So we can expect resistance off of this highs as well, the pattern high. So profit targets, first profit target here, and then anywhere in between the 20 cent level and this 17 cent level. So this is what we're looking for on ZOM. Hopefully it works out for us. It looks like it's starting to build that momentum after hours as well. So you can see that 15.25 cent level being a little bit of resistance, but I hope it opens up, it gaps up, and becomes a gap play tomorrow, ZOM. And this is one that we have been trying to get a good return from. NVIV, oversold pattern. So easy to identify and spot a stop loss on this one's. And of course, this is a gap fill play. So it did break that, hasn't broken that the gap down level, this breakdown level. So we're looking for a push tomorrow. And NVIV, I've traded this one in the past. I traded it last year and years past, and it does have a tendency to make some good 20-30% moves. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to take profits, hopefully at 0.70, 0.75, if it gives me that opportunity. Again, I'm holding this one on a swing trade, but we'll see. I mean, if it gives us an opportunity to take 10%, 15%, 20%, then we'll take it. We'll take whatever the market gives us, and we won't stay greedy and lock in the profits when we have them. Guys, that is it for me. I will see you all tomorrow. I will be working on another watch list for everybody this later on today, and I'll be putting it up on our website, www.psc13.com. guys, again, free watch list. Go ahead and check it out. That is it for me. I'll catch you in the next one.